They're chanting. They're chanting. Go, boys! Get it down!
Well done, Tommy!
Well done, Gordon. Great defense. Very proud of my baby bird and all his friends. Getting off to a great start, Raid and Laura. Can they defend their lead? Or will the other team strike through and score? We just have to find out on Raiders 101. Yeah. I mean, like, commenting. Whoa!
Tommy, Malloy, more work! Tommy's run! Tommy, Malloy, you'll run! Hard, straight!
Go, Tommy! Red Tom! Red Tom! Red Tom! Woo! That's my little baby brother. Let's go, Tommy. So strong. Yay! Woohoo! Try time! The score is 3 tries, 2 no tries to the Raiders. Well done, boys.